If your son's hair is dry and you've tried everything but it's still dry, this video is for you. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my son's full moisture and style routine. Hey mamas, welcome back to my channel. So to begin with, I saturate my son's hair with water and then I proceed to shampoo in his hair. When I'm shampooing his hair, I use the pads of my fingers to cleanse his scalp and his hair. Part of my son's moisture routine is to wash his hair on a weekly basis, to use a conditioner only to wash his hair midweek, and to clarify his hair on a monthly basis. And mamas, this does wonders for dry hair. So the next step is to deep condition and detangle my son's hair. I like to work in sections, and once I'm done working in sections, I will brush through his whole head. Now this is to avoid any kind of pain or pulling or tugging on his hair at this stage. The great thing about this mask is once I'm done and even after rinsing, his hair feels really nice and soft. So once I'm done with that, I then apply his leave-in conditioner in the shower. I put on a microfiber towel and then get him dressed. If he needs to eat, he'll eat, and then I go on to moisturize. When I'm moisturizing, I add this cream by Talia Wajid. I add a good amount and then I kind of in circular motions apply this cream to his hair. And then I add a little bit of grease for shine and also to slow down the evaporation of moisture from his hair. So basically keeping his hair retaining moisture for longer. And then I use this sponge to sponge roll his hair just to give it a bit of definition and to give his style a bit of an edge. Yeah, this is one of my favorite methods of, giving his hair some definition. So I continue sponging his hair in circular motions until I get the desired look. And then once I'm done with that, I will brush the sides and the back of his hair with a ball bristle brush. This is a soft ball bristle brush, by the way. So there you have it. Look at the definition. You may see like some white residue. That's all going to go away once his hair has dried completely. But this is the definition I get once I am done sponge rolling. I'm quite happy with how his hair turned out. So if you can see from the before and after, it looks good, right? So mamas, if you're looking to grow your son's hair out, check out this video showing now on the bottom left hand corner of your screen. This is how I was able to grow my son's hair long, tailbone length to be exact, in 4 years.